Mr. Hudson, I'm writing to express my concern about the state of our current medical equipment. Some of our machines are outdated and malfunctioning, which is impacting patient care.
I understand your concern, Dr. Mihira. We've been facing budget constraints, and it's been difficult to allocate funds for new equipment.
I appreciate the budgetary constraints, but outdated equipment can lead to inaccurate diagnoses, delayed treatments, and increased patient risk. It's essential to invest in modern technology to provide optimal patient care.
I agree, Dr. Mihira. Perhaps we can explore options like leasing or renting equipment to reduce the initial cost. We could also consider applying for grants or seeking donations from charitable organizations.
That's a good idea. We should also prioritize the most critical equipment needs, such as those used in emergency situations or for complex procedures.
I'll discuss this with the finance team and explore potential solutions. We'll prioritize patient safety and ensure that we have the necessary resources to provide quality care. Mihira, I want to reassure you that we now have a clear understanding of what is going on with your skin. You have a fungal skin infection commonly known as ringworm. I know the name sounds a bit alarming, but I want to immediately put your mind at ease. There are absolutely no actual worms involved in this condition. Instead, it is caused by microscopic organisms that live on the outer layer of the skin. It is quite contagious, meaning it spreads easily through direct contact, but it is also incredibly common and very treatable. My clinical opinion is based on the classic signs your skin is showing. The most telling clue is the distinct circular appearance of the rash, which features raised, red edges that fan outward while the center begins to clear up. This specific shape, combined with the intense itchiness and slight scaling you have been experiencing, points directly to this fungal origin. We are going to get this completely cleared up for you, so please try not to worry as we start your treatment.